Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload different types of evidence on one Word document. So there are other software available that is very similar to Word, but I'll be using Word for this. So to create the scenario, you're an assessor and you've been out to do an observation or an assessment with a learner, and you've got short video, short piece of audio, and maybe a photo or two. Now, if you upload them onto Skillsfile, you can do it one at a time, but you may, as it's all one assessment, want to upload them all in one. So this is how you do it. So you open a blank Word document, you go to Insert, and scroll over to where it says Object. So this is under the Insert tab, and you click Object. You then go Create from File, click Display an Icon, and browse to the folder where the evidence is contained. So for this, I'm going to upload some audio and click OK. And it's embedded it actually in to the Word document. I'm now going to insert a video. Just repeat the process, insert object, tick Create from File, display an icon, and browse to where the evidence is stored. And click OK. So you've got an observation there, which is audio, video, and you can also say insert photos. Now, if you do insert object for photos, it doesn't always work, something that's built into, say, Word. So for this, you do have insert pictures. So again, click that, insert the picture, and then you can just resize it according to how big you want the actual picture to be. And then of course you may actually want to insert some text below, so you can do it either by the side, by going again, by clicking Insert and Text Box. So you can actually go and insert some text, or you could just write it underneath your last entry, but for the purpose of this, I'm showing you how to insert a text box, and then you can put in your evidence there, or your written statement, and treat it like any other Word document you might have. Save it on your system and then upload it as Skillsfile. So you've got the complete assessment in one. As I said, you just click there, and it will actually open up the observation, be it audio, video. Thank you.